Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the basics working: a webcam or phone app, a face tracking program, and Vrchat on desktop. Install the tracker now, then enable its virtual camera or UDP output. That's how Vrchat receives facial data. Once done, open the tracker's calibration tool and run the quick face alignment. This reduces jitter and improves lip sync. Make sure drivers and camera permissions are allowed in Windows. This first step puts tracking data into a format Vrchat can use immediately. Now connect the tracker to Vrchat. Launch Vrchat and open the avatar menu. Choose an avatar with facial blend shapes or import a VRM that supports Viseams. Next, switch Vrchat's webcam source to the tracker's virtual camera or enable the incoming UDP data path in your tracker and set Vrchat to accept it. Once connected, toggle your avatar's facial settings and test expressions. Smile, blink, speak. Make adjustments in the tracker's sensitivity. Small changes here fix timing and make animations feel natural. Finish by polishing calibration and testing in a real session. You should fine-tune smoothing and sensitivity so expressions match without lag. Reduce smoothing if mouth movement feels delayed. Record a short test, watch lip sync, eye movement, and gaze. If something goes wrong, restart the tracker app, reselect the virtual camera or UDP endpoint in Vrchat, and recalibrate face alignment. One key troubleshooting tip: if tracking is wildly off, rerun calibration in neutral lighting, and ensure the webcam
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.